Hello, Dan Kinning here with another math lesson for you. Tonight's lesson is on the gamma function. First of all, what is it? Well, the gamma function is actually very similar to a factorial function you might be familiar with. N factorial, or 3 factorial, for example, represents 3 times 2 times 1, or 6. But whereas that standard factorial function can only be used with non-negative integers, as it turns out, the gamma function can be used with complex numbers. In fact, it can be used with any number, real or complex, except for non-positive integers. What's it used for? Actually, there's a surprising diversity of things it can be used for. It can be used to help model the location, to predict the probability that an electron is in a particular location. It can be used for fluid dynamics, probability calculations, astrophysics, and I even read that it was used in some cases to help predict the likelihood or the probability of a future earthquake along a fault line. All that's a little bit abstract, so I kind of made up an imaginary setup here. Let's say that this dump truck is driving down the road and all of a sudden it shrinks into this toy and appears in my hand. And my question I have is, what gear is it in? What's the probability that it's in third gear? So this is modeling the probability that an electron would be in a particular energy state, but this is my kid's toy example here. I can't see inside of an atom, and I cannot see inside of this dump truck. So what the gamma function could allow us to do is to help us model the probability that this truck is stuck in third gear, or the probability that an electron may be in a particular energy state. Of course, it's used as just part of one term in some probability function. By itself, it cannot model any known real occurrences. Thanks, and have a good night.